Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. All the videos of GK Today are absolutely free and available on GK Today's YouTube channel. And if you are looking for interactive quizzes in text and also their solutions, then please download the GK Today's Academy Android app. We have several free and paid courses in that app. And also I would like to recommend you that if you are preparing for UPSC Prelims Examination 2021 and 2022, then we have a daily current affairs quiz series in Academy app. You may subscribe to that series if you find it good. In that quiz, we provide daily 10 questions especially crafted for the UPSC preliminary examination, and we try to connect each current affairs event with some fundamental knowledge in a static general studies topic. We hope you will find it very useful. And this particular series is of 95 videos, and in each video we are going to discuss about 10 to 15 questions. So now let's begin with the questions on world geography. So the first question is, what is a deep crack or fracture found in an ice sheet or glacier called? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is crevasse. See, a crevasse is a deep crack or fracture specifically found in an ice sheet or glacier, and they often have vertical or near vertical walls. Now the next question is, what kind of a feature is a dirt cone? Depositional or erosional? So you have to select the correct code from the options given below. And the correct answer is option A, that is the only first one is correct. See, dirt cones are depositional features of glacial landform, and debris of ice and some sort is required for its formation. Now the next question is, what is an isolated rock hill or small mountain that rises abruptly from a relatively flat surrounding plane called? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option C, that is a flickberg. See, an isolated rock hill or small mountain that rises abruptly from a relatively flat surrounding plane is called a flickberg, and it is called as an inselberg or a monad rock also. Now the next question is, what is a landform that extends above the surrounding terrain called? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option C, that is hill. See, hill is a landform that extends above the surrounding terrain and they have a distinct summit. Now the next question is, what is a depression or a hole in an outwash plain formed by retreating glaciers called? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option B, that is a kettle. See, a depression or a hole in an outwash plain that is formed by retreating glaciers or drainage floodwaters is called a kettle, and they are a result of blocks of dead ice left behind the retreating glaciers. Now the next question is, what are glacially formed accumulations of unconsolidated debris called? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option C, that is moraines. See, moraines are glacially formed accumulations of unconsolidated debris, and they are formed from debris previously carried along by a glacier. Now the next question is, what is a geographic area containing several geologically related mountains called? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option A, that is a mountain range. See, a geographic area containing several geologically related mountains is called a mountain range, and it is a series of mountains or hills ranged in a line. Now the next question is, what are angular, sharply pointed mountainous peak found in a glacial area is called? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is A, that is a horn. See, pyramidal peak or glacial horns are angular, sharply pointed mountainous peaks found in a glacial areas. Now the next question is, what are valleys formed by glacial scouring called? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option B, that is U-shaped valley. See, U-shaped valleys are valleys formed by glacial scouring, and they have a characteristic U shape with steep, straight sides and a flat or rounded bottom. Now the next question is, What is the low area lying between hills, often with a river running through it, called? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is valley. See, a valley is a low area lying between hills and often with a river running through it, and it is also called a dale, and it is the depression that is longer than it is wide. Thank you so much. So this was all for today's video. So please do provide your feedback in our comment section. And stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Thank you.